Hi everyone, today I'm going to make a fish sauce, or you call it a fish curry. First of all, you need to clean the fish very nicely from outside, scrape it with knife properly. All the skin need to come out, and cut in between near the neck of the fish and take out all the dirt from inside, which is brown in color. You need to take out and cut the head out, or if you like, you can keep it. Clean it nicely. After cleaning everything, you can just wash in water. Now everything is washed. Now you just have to slice it in between so that all the spices go inside properly. Slice from both the sides, maybe around 3 to 4 depending on the size. Add in the mixer grinder 2 pieces of garlic and ginger, fresh cut onion, fresh green chili or a red chili together, turmeric or tomato if you like, a bowl of fresh coconut, add a half teaspoon of turmeric powder, add 2 tablespoons of fish masala or fish spices. This is a recipe of fish masala which you can keep it aside in your bottle and use whenever you want. And 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Add 2 tablespoons of salt, and at last a glass of water. Grind it to the paste. The sauce need to be transferred in the pan and add water and boil. Add a food color as you wish. The color need to be more towards the red orange. So if you like, you can add more of color. Stir it well. Add a fresh washed fish into the sauce. Add all the fishes inside the sauce. Close the lid and leave it for 15 minutes on the low flame. After boiling, just open the lid, and for garnishing you just use a fresh cut onion and a green chili. Close the lid. If you like, you can add a freshly cut coriander leaf. Stir it well and close the lid. You can serve this fish sauce or a curry with rice. Enjoy the meal with your family and with your loved one. Please share this with your family and friends. See you soon with next recipe, which I'm going to shoot soon. Subscribe to my channel and please like and share. Thank you so much.